In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Looker Studio account in just 5 minutes. This powerful tool from Google allows you to visualize your data by connecting to various data sources, creating informative reports, and sharing insights with your team. Whether you're a data analyst, a marketing professional, or just someone curious about data visualization, Looker Studio offers a flexible platform to meet your needs. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser, type in the URL https://lookerstudio.google.com/ to get started. This will take you to the homepage of Looker Studio. Here, you're just a few steps away from creating your very own Looker Studio account. Once the page is loaded, look around and you'll notice a button that says Use it for free. Click on this button. This is your gateway to accessing Looker Studio without any initial cost. Google has made it incredibly user-friendly to start with Looker Studio, promoting accessibility to users at all levels. After clicking the Use it for free button, you'll be prompted to enter your email. If you have a Google account, your journey to creating a Looker Studio account is even smoother. Just enter the email associated with your Google account. If you do not have a Google account, no worries, it's easy to create one directly from this step. Follow the instructions for setting up a new account, which includes picking a new email address. Next up, you will be asked to enter your password. Remember, security is key, so choose a strong password that's hard for others to guess, but easy for you to remember. If you're logging in with a Google account, you'll need the password for that account. This step is crucial for protecting your data and keeping your account secure. And just like that, you've successfully created your Looker Studio account. That's right, no lengthy forms to fill out or waiting periods. You're now part of the Looker Studio community, ready to explore the vast potential of data visualization. Creating a Looker Studio account unlocks a world of possibilities. You can connect to a variety of data sources including Google Sheets, SQL databases, and even Google Ads, to name just a few. From there, crafting engaging, insightful reports and dashboards becomes an intuitive process. Plus, sharing these insights with your team or stakeholders can literally be done with the click of a button. Remember, the first time you log into Looker Studio, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You'll find it's quite user-friendly, but like any new tool, there's a bit of a learning curve. Look for the resource section, where you can find tutorials and guides. These resources are invaluable, especially when you're just getting started. They'll walk you through creating your first report, connecting to data sources, and customizing your visualizations. Experimenting with templates is also a fantastic way to get started. Looker Studio offers a wide range of pre-built templates tailored to various business needs and objectives. These templates can give you a significant head start in designing your reports and dashboards, not to mention providing a bit of inspiration. And remember, practice makes perfect. Don't hesitate to play around with different data sources and visualization options. The more you use Looker Studio, the more comfortable you'll become, and soon you'll be creating insightful, impactful data visualizations like a pro. In conclusion, setting up a Looker Studio account is straightforward, quick, and free. Within just a few minutes and a couple of clicks, you're well on your way to unlocking the powerful capabilities of data visualization with Looker Studio. Whether it's for personal use, your business, or a project, Looker Studio offers a flexible, powerful platform to meet your data visualization needs. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Hopefully you found it helpful as you start your journey with Looker Studio. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Happy data visualizing.